Hello, in this video we want to explain to you how to set the star delta timer. This is the star delta timer that we have to connect the power input phase and 0 here. And if you use a 24-volt power supply, we must connect to this part. Using these two volume we can determine the amount of a star delta timer. Here the number shows 2 to 60 seconds, and here it shows 30 to 300 milliseconds. Now if we connect the input power, the motor starts as a star and changes to the delta after a certain time. For example, now we give the value of 5 seconds to the timer. When we disable and enable the input, after 5 seconds it changes from star to delta. Using this volume, you can determine the time interval between the star of the delta. You need to set a blank time when the star conductor is deactivated and the delta conductor is activated. Now it is on 30 milliseconds, and the star conductor is cut off, and 30 milliseconds later the delta conductor is activated. Now if we set the value to 300 milliseconds, now the star conductor is cut off, and after 300 milliseconds the delta conductor is activated. This is the star delta timer connection. This part is also connected to the conductor coil. This part is connected to A1 star conductor. This part is connected to A1 of the delta conductor. This part is connected to A1 star conductor, and this part is connected A1 delta conductor, and a wire from a phase connected to the COM of this timer. One wire from a phase is connected to the COM, and this timer and the two wires are connected to the star delta conductor. I will explain the wiring in the next part, and in the next video I will explain how to get the start time of the delta, which is different for each motor. I will explain how to calculate this time is in the next video. Do you have any question about this timer? Ask in the comments. Thank you.